Understanding heat setting, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, heat setting. This is a common term you might encounter in everyday conversations or instructions, especially when dealing with appliances, fabrics, or cooking. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how you can use it correctly. Heat setting refers to the control or adjustment of temperature in various contexts. It's a compound noun made up of two words, heat, which signifies warmth or high temperature, and setting, which means an adjustment or a specified condition. Together, this phrase is often used to describe the temperature control on devices like irons, heaters, or cooking appliances. When we talk about heat setting in appliances, it generally refers to the control knob or digital setting that allows you to regulate the temperature. For example, an iron might have different heat settings for different types of fabrics. Understanding this term is crucial for correctly using appliances and preventing damage. In cooking, heat setting plays a pivotal role. It can refer to the level of flame on a gas stove or the temperature setting on an electric stove or oven. Recipes often specify a certain heat setting to ensure that food is cooked properly. For example, simmer on a low heat setting, or bake at a medium heat setting. In the context of fabrics and textiles, heat setting is about the temperature used while ironing or drying clothes. Different materials require different heat settings to avoid damage. For instance, delicate fabrics like silk require a low heat setting, whereas cotton can withstand a higher heat setting. Understanding the term, heat setting, is essential for its proper application in daily tasks. Whether you're ironing your clothes, cooking a meal, or using a heating appliance, knowing the right heat setting is key. I hope this video has been informative and helps you use this term confidently in your daily life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.